Welcome to a video series on using MCC in VS Code. So why VS Code? Well, it is the world's most popular IDE and installs are lightweight, updates come automatically, and startup is very fast without the overhead of a traditional IDE. It is also a more modern environment, and you'll get language server based code intelligence. So you'll start off by installing the MPLAB Extension Pack, which currently includes 13 different extensions. So our main focus is going to be on MCC, but a lot of these we will use along the way. CLANG-D is the code completion, navigation, CMake is to build. We will use the AI coding assistant if we get a debug error and we want some help to solve it or to change the functionality of some code, but the focus is not specifically on that in this series. We'll use the MPLAB Data Visualizer to verify that our code is working as expected. So we will basically have two fairly similar courses, one on MPLAB Harmony and one on MCC Melody. So what is MPLAB Harmony? So if we click in a Harmony project, we will come into kind of landing page here with the Harmony overview, or going into the Harmony GitHub. And in the main Harmony page, you can see that this is embedded software development framework for 32-bit microcontrollers and processors. Software development framework providing flexible, interoperable software modules to simplify the development of value-added features and reduce your product's time to market. And you can click on any of these icons from here to find out more. MCC Melody, if you click on that question mark, it opens the MCC Melody technical reference. MCC Melody, like MPLAB Harmony, is a content type supported in MCC, providing libraries, drivers, peripheral libraries, and development of embedded software in a range of Microchip MCUs. And here we can see the support is for PIC and AVR and the DS-PIC digital signal controllers. So here you get the MCC builder, and if you scroll further down, you'll get a sense of the content manager. And if no project is open and you get the standalone content library, you get to a content type selection. So here you can see very clearly that Melody and Harmony are content types within MCC. So the development experience is kind of more similar than it is different. If you look at the context help, looking here, for example, at the SIRCOM, here on Harmony side, you can see that this is UART SPI or I2C, blocking or non-blocking, and you can see that there are code snippets implementing a number of the different modes. Similarly, on the Melody side, you can open the UART documentation and find a range of use cases, some videos of the implementation, and you can click for some configuration instructions and code snippets. So the design experience is relatively similar. You can see slight differences in the GUI. Here you can see a project graph, while on a Melody side you can see the application builder. Okay, but for each of these separate series, I'll be doing an introduction video to describe each of the videos in the series, but largely they will be similar and cover a lot of the kind of similar use cases. For example, Control-Shift-P, MPLAB, MCC. You see that you're able to launch MCC without actually opening a project and configure an associated project. So that's also a hint that multiple configurations of MCC are now supported in VS Code. So there'll be some use cases which are a bit more advanced and interesting, but I'll leave that for the individual series overviews. Thank you.